Hello guys, welcome back. This is the DIY assistant. Today we have 1.6 liter Volkswagen Jetta, and the very issue which I'm trying to address on this very car here is that I'm trying to swap a manual power steering pump into this very car, and this is not getting anything easy because the system isn't actually built for this very system, because this very system here comes with EPS, electrical assisted EPS, electrical assisted power steering. However, when I'm trying to get this very hydro power steering pump in there are a lot of hurdles. And if you have watched my channel before, or you have been following up my channel, I've actually did a swap like this before on Peugeot 407, and I actually put it off perfectly so well that the system works as if there is no such problem that has occurred. Now, this one here is cheaper compared to the electric one. As a matter of fact, I've actually run the first process here, which I'm going to be uploading the video to you guys later when I actually removed it and replaced it with the manual, that's the hydro power steering rack. And the rack that fits this very 2006 model here is not even, because if you look at it, for most of you who know this very car here, this very trim, it doesn't actually come with the hydro power steering, so the 2.8 is not gonna fit it. Not to mention 2.9 because it was completely off. Now the Make 4 Volkswagen wouldn't also fit it. It was actually 2012, I think 211, 212. Steering rack that was a perfect fit for this very car, and for obvious reasons I have actually swapped it in. Now, the very big gigantic problem that is here right now is how to work this into this. Okay, let me rephrase that quickly a little bit. Some other folks who have been trying to do the same thing which I'm talking about today was advising me that there is an easy way out, because here in the Peugeot I was trying to do the same thing which I did on Peugeot here, but it's not quite getting along that very route. And what I did on the Peugeot is that I took the bracket of the very one, because in the Peugeot there are E10, E4 engine, which is on 406. So I just swap it out and everything just fits perfectly. And thank God there is already a steering rack that's actually using power steering pump fluid. So I didn't go through all that hassle of drawing the lower beams and all that in order to fit those in. But this one here, there is no such thing. So I have to drop it and swap it and make sure that everything fits perfectly. And for obvious reasons, I've been driving this car for more than 8 months right now after fitting back the steering rack that is not electrical assisted at all. And the pipes, I've extended it a little bit out where I can be able to weld it using some other things. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to be showing me how to do this and not stuck. Well, it's not very that easy. If it is easy, you wouldn't be watching my video. You should go and do it yourself and share the information. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. This bracket right here, which you guys can see, is for Volkswagen Golf 4. The advice which the guy gave me, which here on the Golf 4, this is the power steering pump for Golf 4. And it fits in perfectly. However, there are some tweaks which can actually make this work. I think 2 tweaks. The first tweak is to chop off this very aluminum place here and see how we can fit it in here. Then think about how to work to construct another adjuster that is gonna work in there. And as soon as that is being snugged into this very place here, then well, we gotta sit in for the power steering pump. Then we start thinking about other things. Now, the second part, which someone is actually suggesting, is although from the Volkswagen Golf 4, if we look at it critically, the power steering pump is up, then the alternator is at the middle, and down here is where the compressor is. But when you look at it right now, the compressor got a different kinds of setting. The bolt is going in this way. Why? For this very model here, there are only 3 bolts that is holding it in place. So which means it's not gonna work. You have to really do a lot of chopping off here and aluminum welding. I have aluminum welding machine, but I have a problem. It seems like the one I bought is fake from China, because since I bought it to perform a successful aluminum welding has become a problem, but welding metal with the argon is not a damn thing still. So now, what is the third option, which someone is also suggesting, that I can actually compare the two and take out the odd and replace it? And what does that mean in a nutshell? What that means is, let me fit this one in here, fit in the alternator, because this one fit perfectly in. Then, right, in this situation here, it's gonna be upside down. This one goes in here. If you look at where that very water stuff goes in there, that's where it's gonna slap in here, and these two both on the top there is gonna fit here and here. Then the ones on the down part, this one here, they're all gonna fit in. So which means the power steering pump is gonna be down, and we have the that's the alternator. The alternator is gonna be up here, I guess so. The adjuster is gonna be somewhere here. Then the compressor is gonna be here, but I don't think this compressor is gonna fit in here. So I think in that regard, he was mentioning something, which is the third one. I almost lost it there. He said I should remove this very compressor, which is a variable displacement compressor, and replace it with that of Golf 4, make 4 compressor, which fits with this very bracket here. So I wouldn't need this very variable displacement compressor. I will fit in a fixed displacement compressor, and I work my way around making that compressor to work. It's not that it's not going to work, it's going to work, but I don't want that way. I don't want that very solution right there. The solution that I want is, I want exactly this very compressor here, this variable displacement compressor, to work with this, and that is the problem. So guys, now alternatively, I'm looking at something here. In this whole situation here, I'm just sharing my my thinking out loud with you guys, so that you guys can, if you guys have done this before, so you can share the idea with me exactly what works, what is the kill shot, what is gonna actually do this. What's actually gonna be the kill shot that's gonna get this done quickly without making a mess, having the same compressor, alternator, and a power steering pump. So, but I'm having a lot of thinking here, which I'm trying to leave everything that it is here as it is, and introduce just a metal somewhere up here. Do some fabrications. Then when I got a seat somewhere here, just a little bit on top of the alternator, align the pulleys very well, then I can start thinking about how I'm gonna get definitely 2 V belts, 2 face belt It's gonna be somewhere around here, because if it is too close, then it's gonna be touching that adjuster. So it's gonna be somewhere here, exactly where I place it like this. That's where it's gonna be. But it's gotta be two-faced belt like the Volkswagen Golf 4 when it gets there. And luckily, this adjuster may have to get it to work. So in order for it to stay like this, I have to find a sheet metal where I'm gonna cut it in and weld it and provide a suitable seat where this very power steering pump can actually sit perfectly without having to damage anything with the compressing side of this very power steering pump facing up. So guys, tell me if you have done this before, what is the easiest route to this, because this is quite hectic and more challenging. I mean, the reason why I haven't done this for quite a long, I haven't get this done, is because it is a lot of thinking than not doing. And I've been very busy, but this time here, I'm less busy, and I'm gonna be tearing things down soon to see what is gonna work and start welding things into here and see what's gonna work. But that's gonna be on another different video entirely. So tell me what you think, if you have done this before, if you have actually swapped hydro power steering pump into electric power steering pump. How did you get it done on Volkswagen Jetta models? Thank you.